Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush Guru. It is April 2nd, 2026. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for DIY day. Oh my goodness, if I could DIY anything, I would make a chicken run and then fill it with beautiful, lovely chickens. Yeah, my husband and I are having some arguments about this right now. So I'm going to use the word craft as my inspiration word for the day. And we just got home from lunch with friends. They have chickens. They even sent us home with a dozen eggs, all very cute, just in time for Easter, all different colors. So anyway, we have got craft. All right, I got an R. Yeah, not spectacular, but not awful. And then also we could do R-S-T-L-N-E. We've got an R and we haven't used the E yet. What are our vowels? Because I'm thinking maybe an E-R. I-O-U-Y. So if we do an E-R, let's not quite commit to that, but let's try our best to get that to work. So, solar has an A, doesn't it? And we've used the A. Sonar, again, A. I'm going to try... I could do loser, but that makes me feel bad about my plans. I'm going to try and see if solar or sonar work. Oops. As words that I don't know about. Oh my goodness, solar. I was excited solar worked. What in the world? What in the world? Sober. Oh, is it sober? I hope sober is the only word I find. I haven't used the B yet. Now I don't know if sonar's a word. Didn't try that. Okay. Man, if only I'd tried sober. Because I even kind of thought, well, I could deviate from the common letters and put a B in there. But then I forgot all about that because I thought, no, then I would just do loser. Okay. All right, I'm going to stare at that for a while and be stunned. Okay, so Q, W, sower. Oh, that's also a possibility. Not as likely, I think, as sober. Sawyer? I don't think so. Soper, soder. Da-da-da-da-da. Sometimes I have to be careful because some of the things I want to pronounce don't sound good. Sober. And assuming there's no such word as sonar, S-O-N-E-R, then I'm going to say sober. I think it's sober. I'm going to try it. Indeed, indeed, that is what it is. Okay, that was pretty fun. On to Quordle. So let's get this set up and clean up this area. And now I'm going to put in 4 standard words. That'll give me 20 unique letters. If you've been here before, you know what I do. Fishy, budge, clown, tramp, trait, T-R-A-I-T, because I don't think a V, an X, a Z, a K, a J, a Q is going to work, nor an R, an A, or an I. So trait, that's kind of a gimme there. And that gave us a T here, so leapt. L could go here, E could go here, A, P could go here, T, leapt. That gave us E's here and here. I'm going to look at this. No, oh, refer. R could go here. Oops. I put the F in there, didn't I? R could go here. E. F could go here. E. R could go here. I said E like that was a sure thing. Well, I didn't know, but now it is. And then we have an E here, no C. So, M. E. C. A. That doesn't look like it's working. M-E-A-C-J. That's a word, right? The E is there, really? I need some help. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to say the C could go here, here, or here. The M could go here. Oops, that is not an M. My fingers just want to put whatever they want in there. M could go there. A could go here, here, or here. And then we could use one of these. If we do MAC, what could go there? Another M? No. Q, J, K, Z, X, V. No. MEVAC. I don't see that. So if the M stays there and the C moves, the C would have to go here. MK, VEMK, XEMK. I don't think that works. So I don't think the M is going to go there. What about CAM? Meekum, Jackum, Queckum, Zekkum, Xum, Veckum. Huh? That's not working for me. The C could stay here, the A could stay here, we could move the M. Oh, did I already try this? Oh, Mecca. M-E-C-C-A. Okay, I think we got it. M-E-C could go there, C could go there as well, A could go there. That works. That one took a bit. I had to see it, and once I had that in, it made a little more sense to me. Maybe even if I tried it before, I didn't try it visually. So that can help a great deal, for me anyway. And that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.